From the table pose, bring the right knee forwards between your hands and then let your right foot slide over towards the left. Place the left leg back and lower the hips towards the yoga mat. You can aim your right heel to the hollowed out part of your left hip bone. Breathing should be normal. Press down into the fingertips by creating a tent with your hands. Inhale and reach the crown of your head up, lengthening the spine. Exhale and sink the hips down into the yoga mat. Roll the shoulders down and back and press and lean forwards through the chest. Exit by supporting your weight with the hands as you bring back the right knee to form the table pose. And sit back down onto your